We are going to learn common illnesses in Igbo language. Illness is called Oria or Oya. When you hear Oria, the person is talking about illness or Oya. So let's start. Headache is called isi ọwụwa. Isi ọwụwa. Isi ọwụwa. That is headache. Isi ọwụwa. Isi na awam. Isi na awam. I'm having a headache. Isi na awam. Isi anawagi. Isi anawagi. Are you having headache? So isi ọwụwa means headache. The next is kata. Kata. Kata means azuzu. 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 That is kata. Diarrhea is afọ ọsịsa. Afọ ọsịsa. Afọ ọsịsa. Afọ ọsịsa. So afọ na asam. I'm purging. Afọ na asam. Afọ na asagi. Afọ na asagi. So that is afọ ọsịsa. Then the next one is back pain. Back pain, you know, azu is back. So the pain there is mbu. Azu mbu. Back pain, azu mbu. And this applies to every other part of your body. Obi mbu, chest pain. Aka mbu, you know, hand pain, like oku mbu, uku mbu, uku, waist pain. So that's how you say them: back pain, waist pain, mbu, mbu, and all that. The next one here is Oria mamiri. That is diabetes. Oria mamiri. You know, Oria is illness, right? So Oria mamiri or Oria sugar. That sugar is Otuboala. Otuboala. So go ahead and watch the food items in Igbo language. The link is in the description box, okay? So Oria mamiri is diabetes. Oria Otuboala. The next one is cough. Cough is okwara. 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 Cough. Tuberculosis is called ukwara nta. Ukwara nta. Ukwara nta. Deaf and dumb is ogbi. 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 Blindness is called isi. 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 Hunchback is called mkpumkpu azu. Mkpumkpu azu. Mkpumkpu azu. Mkpumkpu azu. Boil is called etito. Etito. Just watch how I pronounce it and then try pronouncing it. Etito. That is boil. Etito. Cancer. Oria mmepe ahụ. Oria mmepe ahụ or Oya mmepe ahụ. Oria mmepe ahụ. Cold. Oyi. Oyi. Oyi na-atụ m. Oyi na-atụ m. I'm catching cold. Oyi. Oyi. Pronounce it. Oyi. Oyi na-atụ gị. Oyi na-atụ gị. Are you catching cold or are you feeling cold? Oyi na-atụ gị. Oyi na-atụ m. I'm feeling cold. Elephantiasis. Ukwu enyi. Ukwu enyi. That is what is called. Ukwu enyi. Ukwu enyi. Cripple is called ngworo. ngworo, ngworo, ngworo. Try pronouncing it. Ngworo. That is what? Cripple. Then chicken pox is called kitipa. 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 Just watch the way I pronounce it and then pronounce it. You can always come back to watch it, okay? Then epilepsy is called akwụkwụ. 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 Gangrene is called achere. 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 Some people call it achere, but really it's acha-ere, because when it ripes, it starts rotting. You understand? It's a form of poison. Like when someone step on it, it begins to swell and rot. So acha-ere. Gonorrhea is nsinwanyi. Nsinwanyi. That is what people call it. Nsinwanyi. Then HIV is called ọrịa mmịnwụ. Ọrịa mmịnwụ. AIDS is called ọrịa obiri n'ajị ọcha. Hernia is called amụafọ. Amụafọ. That is what hernia is called. The next one is kidney disease. Kidney disease is called ọrịa akụrụ, because already akụrụ is kidney, so ọrịa is illness. So kidney disease, ọrịa akụrụ. Liver disease, ọrịa imeju. Ọrịa imeju. Ọrịa imeju. Leprosy, ekpenta. 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 Migraine, ọkịrị mgbawa isi. Ọkịrị mgbawa isi. That is migraine. Stroke, ahụ mkpọnwụ. Ahụ mkpọnwụ. That is what stroke is called. Ahụ mkpọnwụ. Toothache, eze mgbu. Eze mgbu. Eze mgbu. That is toothache. Tooth decay, eze ure. Eze ure. Eze ure. Rashes, ọkọ. 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 That is rashes. Ebola, ọrịa enwe. Ọrịa enwe. Ọrịa enwe. Fibroid, ọpa afọ. Ọpa afọ. Ọpa afọ. That's it for this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, share this video, turn on your bell icon so that you will not miss any updates. And if there is a particular illness I didn't mention in this particular video, don't forget to comment in the comment section. I'm going to come back to tell you what the illness means in Igbo language. Aha m bụ Onyinye. Ka ọ dị ụbọchị ọzọ. Till next time.